How to log in to UKG account in your laptop. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open your preferred browser. Here I have opened Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar you have to search for Untitled login. After entering to it, you'll be able to see the various options over here. So you have to click on Untitled login, which is in the first page. And by clicking on that, you'll be able to see this interface over here. So there are two text box over here where you have to enter your email address and you have to enter your password. So in order to enter, you have to simply click on there and you have to enter your email. And similarly with the password, you have to click on the password text box and over here you have to enter your password. And by doing that, you have to simply click on sign in option and you will be signed in to your account. If you want to create or reset your password, then you can simply go for over here, and here it is given a notice that if you are already an employee, sign in through your internal HR system. So if you are already the employee of UKG, then you can log into your account through the internal HR system, and by following this simple step you can log into UKG account from laptop. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.